What if your phone could get noticeably louder just by placing it on a stand? Without Bluetooth, without a cable, and without any setup. That's exactly what happened when I tested this mystery gadget we received at a Siemens conference in Bangalore. At first, it looks like a regular phone stand, but this actually combines four functions in one: a phone stand, induction sound amplifier, Bluetooth speaker, and 15-watt wireless charger. So let's unbox it and see if this is actually useful or just a clever gimmick. So here's the box. It has Siemens branding, but interestingly, it doesn't really tell us what's inside. Let's open it. Inside, we get a USB A to USB C cable, some silicone strips for the base, and the instruction manual. And here is the gadget. The manual calls it a smart induction phone stand speaker. I've honestly never used anything quite like this before. It has a sleek plastic body, a gold accent arm, and carbon fiber style base. The phone holder has two clear support brackets, and the entire stand can rotate 360 degrees. On the side, we have the power button, mode button, and USB C charging port. And at the back is this unusual bulb shaped section, which appears to be the speaker. But the most interesting part is the circular induction area at the front. So let's turn it on. Okay, it has a built-in battery, so you don't need to keep it plugged in while using it. There's also a faint blue light around the phone holder. Now, I'll put my iPhone 14 on the stand. It fits nicely, even with the case. The support brackets hold the phone securely, and you can adjust the viewing angle depending on how you want to use it. But now, let's test the feature I'm most curious about. Now listen when I place it on the stand.
The mouse or deal with different connections, and it completely interrupted my workflow. I was also looking for a mouse that could improve my video editing, especially something with the horizontal scroll wheel. Naturally, I started looking at Logitech's productivity mouse, but they cost around rupees 6,000 to 7,000. Then I came across the AmpKit XS series Flow mouse, which promised many of the same productivity features for just 1,800 rupees. That sounded almost too good to be true, so I ordered one. Let's unbox it and see if it's actually worth buying. The packaging itself looks quite premium. On the front, it highlights some of the major features.
Whoa, that's a pretty noticeable boost in volume. And remember, I haven't connected Bluetooth. There is no cable connected to the phone. I'm simply placing it on the stand. Let's remove it again. The volume drops, and when I put it back, the sound gets boosted again. That's actually pretty cool. The stand uses an induction sound amplification principle to boost the phone's audio naturally. So there's no pairing, no app, and no setup. Just place the phone in the correct position. This is easily the most interesting feature of the entire gadget. But here's the thing, this isn't only an induction amplifier, it also works as a Bluetooth speaker. Let's switch to Bluetooth mode. The device appears as H58 on my phone. Let's connect it. Connected. Now let's play some music. It works.
That feels soft without producing loud clicking sounds. Between them sits the main vertical scroll device switching button, allowing you to jump between connected devices with a single press.
But honestly, the sound quality isn't amazing. It's reasonably loud, but there's not a lot of bass. So I wouldn't buy this specifically as a Bluetooth speaker. For me, the induction amplification is much more interesting because it works instantly without pairing. Now, let's test another feature, wireless charging. I'll connect the USB-C cable to power, and we get a green indicator. Now let's place the phone on the charging area. And yes, it's charging. The stand supports up to 15-watt wireless charging, so it's useful for keeping your phone topped up on your desk. But there's an important limitation. This is not magnetic charging. So there is no MagSafe style attachment, and you can't simply stick something like your AirPods onto it and expect them to stay in place. I've added the silicone strips underneath the base, which give it some extra grip. And honestly, this is where I think the gadget makes the most sense. You can keep your phone upright for videos or calls, adjust the viewing angle, rotate it 360 degrees, charge it wirelessly, and boost the audio without Bluetooth. You could use it on your desk, bedside table, or even in the kitchen while following a recipe. So instead of having multiple accessories taking up space, you got several functions built into one device. So, would you actually use something like this on your desk? And have you seen an induction speaker stand like this before? Let me know in the comments.